Hi students, welcome. Welcome to the Ankush Sir Computer Classes. Today's topic is 8085 interrupts. Now question will arise in a mind, what is the interrupts? Interrupts are nothing but externally initiated signals to the microprocessor. The external initiated signals, the signal is initiated by the hardware, software. So from the next slide, we will going to discuss a definition of interrupts and what interrupts in a D. Now, this slide gives you a definition of interrupt and an interrupt in D. So first definitions are given: an interrupt is a signal which suspends the normal sequence of microprocessor, and then microprocessor gives service to that device which has given the signal. After completing the service, microprocessor again returns to the main program. Now here the first definition says that whenever an interrupt is initiated by the external device, we can say that the external software, then a microprocessor suspend their original work and it turns to the device which actually interrupted. So it completes that interrupted device work and again come back to the service. Come back to the original work. So this is actually called as a service routine. So here the first definition tells you what exactly the interrupt. And the second definition here they are given, the interrupt is nothing but a subroutine. It is subroutine call. So initiated by the external device through hardware. So whenever a signal is initiated by the external device through the hardware, it is called as a hardware interrupt. And whenever a signal is initiated by the any instruction, microprocessor, then it is called as a software interrupt. Now interrupt is an input signal which transfers the control of specific routine known as an interrupt service routine. So after executing ISR, control is again transferred to the main program. So whenever the interrupt is initiated, a corresponding ISR is called, and after executing that ISR, a control is again transferred to the main program. So ISR contains the memory locations to transfer the control of microprocessor to that particular location. So here in a computer, a microprocessor is connected to the different devices, that is input and output devices. Together it is called the peripheral devices. So to communicate with these devices, an interrupt method, we can say that interrupt system is required. So here in 8085, there are, in the next slide, we will going to discuss that there are how many types of interrupts and what are the names of that interrupts. So here, the third slide shows you that types of interrupts. They are given here the software interrupts and hardware interrupts. In the previous slide, already I explained you what exactly the software interrupts and hardware interrupts. Software interrupts are initiated by the microprocessor and instruction, and the hardware interrupt is initiated by the hardware device. So here total 8 software interrupts are there, that is from RST0 to RST7, and their corresponding call locations are given in a hexadecimal notation. So the first interrupt name is RST0, that is a restart 0. The 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the mnemonics. So here RST0 means restart 0, RST1 means restart 1, and likewise RST7. So the call locations that they are given, it is incremented by 8 bytes. So 000, if you add it 8 bytes, that is comes as a 8. Now the third, that RST2 has an location 0010. It is not actually 10, it is actually 16 in a decimal, but in hexadecimal 16 is written as a 0010. So these call locations they are given in a hexadecimal notation. Just remind it. Now the hardware interrupt at the right hand side they are given. There are total 5 hardware interrupts are there, that is TRAP, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5, INTR, that is interrupt request. Last one is the interrupt request. So according to priority wise, a TRAP is the highest priority in hardware interrupts, and INTR is a lowest priority in a hardware interrupts. But if we compare the software interrupts and hardware interrupts, software interrupts is have a highest priority than the hardware interrupts. So here trap RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and INTR are the 500 hardware interrupts, and corresponding memory locations are also given. They are multiplying by 8, so simply just I am multiplying by 8, so I will get the corresponding memory locations which is given in a hexadecimal notation. In the next slide I will going to discuss what is software interrupts and hardware interrupts. So this slides will shows you a software interrupts. Now here already I explained in the last slide, total 8 software interrupts are there. Now here software interrupts are a vector interrupts. Vector interrupt means what? They have a fixed memory locations. Now here they are given the definition of software interrupts in the first point. The normal operation of a microprocessor can be interrupted by a special instruction. Such an instruction is called software interrupts. And in the points they are given, they are vector interrupts, and they are used to call the service routines like single step, breakpoint, etc. As well as they have more priority than any hardware interrupts. I already explained, and they cannot be ignored or masked. Means they are non-maskable. Yeah, we can say that they are cannot be ignored. So here these are the points of software interrupts. And one more point is they are not used to handle asynchronous events. So to handle the asynchronous events, hardware interrupts are used. In the next slide we will going to discuss hardware interrupts. So these are the hardware interrupts. Here 5 hardware interrupts are given at the right hand side along with their memory locations. Now hardware interrupts are used to handle the asynchronous events as well as it initiated by the external devices, and they have the lower priority than any software interrupts. It improves the throughput of the system. So hardware interrupts are used to improve the throughput of the system. Among these interrupts, in hardware interrupts only, I already explained that trap is the highest priority and INTR is the lowest priority. And trap is a non-maskable interrupts. Non-maskable means what? Which cannot be disabled. Means once you initiated the trap hardware interrupt, they cannot be disabled by any other instructions. But the other RST 7.5, 6.5 and 5.5 are the maskable interrupts, means which can be disabled. So these are the hardware interrupts. Thank you. Thank you for watching the interrupt of 8085. If you like my video, please subscribe my video. Thank you.